Hello, my Taurians. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. Now, if you belong to my cusp babies, darlings, the reading is already out. This will be for my zodiac darling. So, without further ado, let's try and find out what does this month bring for you. Angels and spirit guides, what's coming up for my darlings in this month? Sweetie pies, if you are on Instagram and Facebook, would highly appreciate if you could follow my pages there as well. It's Vibra to Live. And if you are looking for any personalized reading, please feel free to DM me and we can take things further ahead. Let's see what else can we have for my darlings. Anything else? No. So what is your theme like? Consciousness. Always gain clarity. It's all about new beginnings. Okay, but I think that decision making, that clarity is not there. Buddha is trying to say you need to stay calm from within. Okay, and be clear in your communication because words carry vibrations. So be clear with that. Now let's see what are the other energies trying to guide you. Beautiful. We have the creator, courage, compromise, clinging to the past, control, trust. Okay. So, what is this month trying to tell you? Unless and until you do not let go of your past and heal, because it seems you've been dealing with some trust issues, only then you can move ahead. The ball is in your court. There are times, maybe because of your past, you have become a control freak unknowingly, let's put it that way. But you should avoid having controlling issues with people, with situations, with anything. Avoid demanding. Avoid having ego clashes with any senior or a masculine energy for that matter. There is a possibility that you will gain a hierarchy when it comes on financial base because success is coming towards you. There is a partnership offer coming which will bring in benefits. Okay, a stable connection will build up maybe after a rocky phase. Okay, please take care of your stomach area because there could be ego clashes, digestive issues, maybe because the climates are also changing. But darling, you are unique. Avoid being extremely logical. Okay, try to find a mid path because there it seems to be a conflict between a part of you which wants to do it and another part of you that doesn't wish to do it. Also understand, if you do a lot of charity, if you do a lot of good things, you can generate good karma and that will help you in getting good things that you have been manifesting. Universe is asking you to trust. There seems to be some good news coming up. Okay, emotionally you can be happy, but are you ready to let go of your past? That is exactly what universe is trying to remind you. That's the reason the initial theme is be calm from within, gain clarity, and ask, you shall receive. Okay, now let's ask your angels, what guidance do they have for you? Angels and spirit guides, we've got three. Okay, so we have assertiveness. Assertiveness is like a yes. Will my dreams turn into reality? Yes. Can I expect some good news coming my way? Yes. Do I need help? Yes. Should I step outside to make myself feel good and grounded? Yes. Music therapy can help you. So listen to nice, calming, soothing effects. Maybe that will also help you. It says life purpose. Your life purpose is something that you should be concentrating on your life, not what people are doing, how are they upgrading, comparing yourself. Don't do that. Whatever it is, whatever is stored in your life, in your destiny, Your angels are guiding you. So stop getting distracted. And they are saying, notice the signs. Notice the signs that your angels are showing you. Forwarded text, synchronicity in numbers, some quotes, some discussions, a beautiful fragrance coming around, coins, feathers. Okay, so there are these different ways where they're trying to reconnect with you. Understand. If you cannot, invoke them and let them know. Angels, I cannot understand. Just help me in understanding what are you trying to help me in understanding what the situation or what the answer should be. They will definitely guide you. Now let's come to your love life. Okay, let's see what's in store for you. Angels and spirit guides. So many, so many. But I will still shuffle. Okay. Okay. Hell, hang on. Because there was a huge bunch. That's the reason. Angels and spirit guides. Okay. So this was the card that had flew out also. And it says boat. So if you've been waiting for some far off news, it is coming towards you. You are progressing in your relationships. As I said, some good news seems to be coming up. And whatever you confusion was there, it is eventually gonna get cleared up. Okay, but you need to talk. You need to talk. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides. Anything specific. Message of concern. So again, we have boat, which is giving news. It is saying message of concern. So whatever small news comes up, don't take them lightly. Maybe there could be some hidden message that you're not trying to understand, and that's where the angels are trying to tell you, notice that sign. So how should I sum up this month? Have faith in the universe. Why? Because when you surrender, your angels, the divine, your higher self, will take you in the correct direction. You need to gain clarity. You need to understand that only when you compromise, whenever and wherever it is required, and do not give up on yourself, everything falls into places. But if you're still stuck up with your past and you're trying to have arguments with any senior people or unknowingly trying to control some situations or some people, it's not gonna help you in any ways. Okay, your angels are saying stay focused with your work rather than getting distracted as to what's happening around in the world. They are giving you signals and they're also trying to say be positive. But if you need help, please ask for help. At the love message, things are clearing up. You will receive some good news, but the universe is also trying to tell you that whatever small messages are coming, do not take things lightly. There could be something important which you might be ignoring at the same time. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Apologies for that outside noise interference. Stay happy, stay blessed.